Hi Amorians, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to show you this quick and simple pasta recipe that I made quite earlier. So keep watching to find out how I make this. In my pot, I added some vegetable oil, just enough to cook the pasta, some onions and my pepper mix. The pepper mix is just chili pepper and red bell pepper. So you're going to fry that slightly. Add your bay leaf, add your seasoning and spices of choice. I used thyme, paprika, garlic powder and ginger powder. So give that a good stir, fry that a bit, and then you're going to go in with some water, just a little bit. Now added your soy sauce, your salt and seasoning. You can also add MSG if you use MSG, and then I'll add this leftover beef, cover and let it cook. While it's cooking, I'm gonna cook my pasta. Bring a pot of water to a boil, add in vegetable oil and salt, then go in with any pasta of choice. Give that a good stir, cover and let it cook. Once it is cooked, scoop it out from the water and then add it into the sauce. You're going to give everything a good stir, just like that. And then if the water is not enough in the sauce, add in some pasta water, just a little bit. Cover and let it cook until it is completely dry. Once it is dry, you can add your bell peppers, carrots, spring onions to garnish, and give everything a last good stir until everything is well combined, just like that. And this is how I made this particular pasta recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow for more. Bye.